I got a chair. Hold on. As you can tell, I'm still not good at intros. But I got a chair. And this is the chair I currently sit on. You may have seen it in a couple of videos. Because, well, I sat in it. But I have a new one. A cheap one. That I'm terrified of. Mainly because I've never built a chair before, so I just have low confidence in myself. So, where do I... Yes. I don't open up chairs too often, so... That hurt. This thing, don't use a box cutter. Fine, I'll just use my hands. There, this is a better angle. Got it open, dang, okay. That took forever. Give me a break. Oh, dear me. What's this thing made out of? Steel? I got it open. That's the seat part. The backrest. Boom. Armrest. Other armrest. Other thing. This thing. Holy crap, why is there so much? Tools. Padding. Oh. And instructions. I'm gonna need that. I'm gonna put this over here. Alright. Okay. I love how this is written. It's kind of written like a Lego thing. Like their own separate pouches. I'm gonna burn up in here. Hold up. Like my face reveal? Golly, yes. So I'm guessing it just goes on like that. Yeah. And it takes some sort of screws, I guess. What does it take? It says. Alright. The 8x Z16. What? Sorry, I'm not that good of a reviewer. This is what I'm doing. In case you're wanting to be entertained. Is this entertaining? Alright, and then, yep, it just stays in there. Perfect. Okay, now what next? Oh, we're moving on. Oh, okay. So where should I put this? I'm just gonna set it over here. Yeah. Beautiful. Okay, so now I need this. Okay, so I ran out of storage, so this is next. We're gonna have to hurry through it. So there's a low chance I'm going to show most of it to save storage, really. So, yeah. Let's speed run this. Okay, so on the back end. We need the 4Z7 screws. Or the Z7 screws. Yeah. So I'm going to put those on. I'm gonna start doing cuts to save storage, so yeah. Okay, so after putting all these on, and this is on securely, we put this on. We put this onto this. I guess. Oh, I didn't even put it on. If I sit on it, hey, it supports my weight. This is actually really comfy. Okay. Next thing on the to-do list is put on these armrests, which I may have forgotten my size, because it's going to be like right here. But it'll do. Where's the other one? I got the handlebars on. That took entirely too long. Let's just see, does it work? It works. The handlebars took so long. I think I'm gonna go insane. My hand is cramping. Okay, at least they're on, and they're gonna be stable because I tighten the crap out of this Allen wrench. I think that's what it's called, at least. Alright, what's next on the chopping block? Okay, well, we're done with this part. It is time for the other part of the manual. Where is it at? Alright. So, this side. Time to put the back rust on. Yay! I'm so excited. This is a huge back. Holy crap. Oh, we're gonna have fun with this, aren't we? Comfy. I like this chair a lot. It says that this thing can like go back some. So how do I like do that? I love how it says, notice, tighten all bolts when full assembly done. Yeah, no, I did that first thing. I was like, I'm not going to deal with this. But overall, I love this chair so much. And now I have a lot of trash. Good thing I have a trash can in my room. I'm going to throw it all away. However, we will keep like this extra stuff somewhere. I don't know where, but it does come with spares, which is really nice of them to do. I'm just gonna put this right here. Perfect. With this Allen wrench. Perfect. Now we get to throw everything away. We are not done. I almost forgot. This little package came in It is a webcam. Yay. This video is also doubling as the setup video, so there's a Nerf dart under here. And a Lego piece. I still need to figure out where I'm going to put this. I asked my sister if she wants it, but I doubt it. Let's get the other chair over here. Okay. That's not going to work. This will, no. Okay. I have an idea. Don't drop on my foot. Thanks for not destroying my legs. Beautiful. And now I have no need for this. Look how dirty it is too. Compared to this, which actually fits in with my whole black and white setup going on. This is nice. I like this. I like this a whole lot. And my hair looks so short from that angle. Welcome to my setup review. I suck at these so much. So yeah, my setup. As we already knew, the chair, it's comfortable. I rate it a nice little 9 out of 10. It's a bit cramped right here, but that's fine. So we're moving on. You might notice a theme with my setup. Can you take a guess on what it is? If you said it's red and black, then you're correct. So, this is a keyboard.
Dear God. There's more. No.
Silent typing keyboard, as you can clearly tell. With this nice little pad thingy, I don't know what it's called. It's from a Razer keyboard. I gave that to my sister. The W key stopped working. It's pretty useless now. I have a silent mouse click. These two are in one of my videos that you should definitely not go watch. Anyways, a blue snow microphone. Yeah, there's really nothing else to it. A 144 hertz monitor, I believe. 22 inches across the screen, and a 180p 30 FPS camera. And I will show you that, I guess. I don't know. Oh yeah, I have LEDs. Here, let's add some aesthetic to the room. Turn on, turn on, turn on, turn on. I forgot to turn the on button on, so yeah, I have LEDs. It's like a gun, you have to aim this thing. Dang. Okay. What's wrong with you? Be obedient. There. It's blue now. I can change it from my phone, but that's kind of what I'm recording it from, so I can't. If my hair does not stop doing this, I'm gonna kill somebody. This is my setup. I also have an iPad here, 2 Foxes. Neither of them have a name, and don't even give me recommendations. So as many of you know, I had a PC problem of me trying to get a GPU. That ended up not working, obviously. So I decided to just scrap that. I'm going to give it to my friend Josh because, well, he gave me the Razer keyboard. So, $200 keyboard. He sold it for me for 20 bucks. I'm giving him a $150 PC for free. Seems fair. But this is my PC right here. I have headphones on it. I'm not going to move it. I will show y'all it. It is a Ryzen 7 computer with AMD graphics. It's got 16 gigs of RAM. and it has 500 SSD, gigs of SSD. So it's pretty nice. I have not had any problems with it. Like it runs games extremely well, which is pretty nice and enjoyable. Like I've had no lag whatsoever, and I play the most virgin games known to man. Take a guess of what I play. Take a wild guess. You're letting me focus on, so maybe you can get a better hint on what I play. Take a guess. Anyways, it also runs Roblox pretty good. And if you're like, oh my gosh, Roblox. I will tell you it also runs Phasmophobia pretty well, too. So that's a thing. Before, I would like lag at like 2 frames a second on Phasmophobia, but now it's this. Also, I forgot to show my headphones. I've had these headphones for like 2 years. They're pretty good. I think they're like $30, I don't know. But yeah, I can run Phasmophobia no lag, and I run at the lowest graphics. Now I just run at medium graphics because, you know, it's saying, yeah, see, no lag whatsoever. Exactly, there. It can also run Minecraft. I'm not going to pull that up because I'm too lazy, even though I just pulled Phasmophobia up. So that is it. I'm going to show you all the webcam and me playing a game. So yeah. Okay, so keep in mind that everything is still in testing, so nothing's perfect. Like the OBS may be a bit buggy, but I'll fix it later for future videos. Alright, now I guess we'll just play with a gun that doesn't suck as much. Here, let's go with this baby. Solid gun. I noticed I am kind of lagging a bit, but also my OBS isn't perfect at the moment. I'll definitely get that fixed up in the future. But that doesn't matter for now, right? My teammate stole my kill. Oh crap, that scared the crap out of me. Okay, so as you can tell, it's still a work in progress, but I'll fix that. Like whenever I was reviewing the footage, you can hear this pretty loudly. Yeah, my silent keyboard, yeah, that one. Yeah, you can hear that. So I'll probably fix that, and also the lighting's kind of dim, so I'll brighten up a tad. I'll get happy pretty hard. So yeah, it's not too bad. I'll definitely be fixing it in future episodes in OBS. Not perfect yet because it picked up every sound of my keyboard that I made, which I find pretty hilarious. Okay, so that's it.